Good morning student. Today we are going to see 8th standard social science advent of Europeans. Francisco de Almeida in 1503. Francisco Almeida was sent as the first governor for the Portuguese possession in India. Almeida had the aim of developing the naval power of the Portuguese in India. His policy was known as the Blue Water Policy. His policy is known as the Blue Water Policy. Portuguese tried to break the Arabs' monopoly on Indian ocean trade. It negatively impacted on the interests of the Egypt and Turkey. Sultans of the Bijapur and Gujarat were also appreciative of the expansion of the Portuguese control of the ports, which led to an alternative between the Egypt, Turkey and Gujarat against the Portuguese invaders. In your novel, Muslim fleet won a victory over the Portuguese fleet under the Almeida son, who was killed in the battle. Almeida defeated the combined Muslim fleet in a naval battle near the Douro, and the year 1509, Portuguese claimed the naval supremacy in India. Francisco Almeida was the first governor of the Portuguese, and then his policy is known as the Blue Water Policy. And then next we see Portuguese tried to break the Arabs' monopoly Indian ocean trade. Monopoly means single seller. It is natively impact on the trade interest of the Egypt and Turkey. Trade between the Egypt and Turkey. And then Turkey and Gujarat against the Portuguese invaders. Naval battle near the combined Muslim fleet won a victory over the Portuguese. Next we see the Dutch in Tamil Nadu. The Portuguese who established control over the Pulicat 1502 were overthrown by the Dutch. The Pulicat, the Dutch built the fort Geldriad 1613. This fort once the seat of the Dutch power. The Dutch established their settlement at Pulicat in 1610. Diamonds were exported from Pulicat to the western countries. Diamonds were exported for the Pulicat to the western countries. The other Dutch colonies, port and possessions were Nagapattinam and then Porto Nova, Kadalur and Devanapattinams. The British, the 31st December 1600, Elizabeth, the Queen of England, granted a charter to the Governor and Company of the Merchants of London to trade with the East Indias. The company was headed by a governor and court of 24 directors. A captain Honkin visited the Jahangir court in 1608 to get a certain concession for the company. He secured a permission to rise settlement and Surat. However, the empire cancelled the permission under the pressure from the Portuguese. In 1612, the English captain Thomas Beast inflicted the severe defeat over the Portuguese in a naval battle near Surat. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir permitted the English their factory in 1660 at Surat, which initially became the headquarters of the English Western India. Captain Nicholson won another victory over the Portuguese in 1614. These events enhanced the British prestige at the Mughal court. Sir Thomas Rose was sent to Jahangir's court by King James I of the England. He remained at Agra for 3 years and succeeded in concluding the commercial treaty with the emperor. Before the dispatch of Sir Thomas Bose, the English has established the trading centers at Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad and Bhuj. On the coastline of Bay of Bengal, the English established their first factory in 1611 at Masulipattinam. The important port territory of Kingdom of Kolkata. In 1639, the English merchant Francis Day obtained the Madras at the lease for Noyak. The East Indian Company built at a famous factory known as the Fort George in Madras, which became their headquarters for the whole of the built by the British. Charles II of England received the island of Bombay port of dowry from the Portuguese king on the occasion of his marriage with Catherine. In 1668, the East Indian Company acquired the island at an annual rent of £10 from the Charles II. The 3 villages of acquired by the British in 1698, these villages are growing to the city of Calcutta. French East Indian was formed in 1664 by Colbert, a minister of King Louis XV. In 1667, a French expedients came into India under the Franciscans. In 1673, the settlement of Pondicherry was formed by Martin under the grace of the Sargon Ludis. The French East Indian Company was established factories in different parts of India, particularly in the coastal regions, Karaikal. These were the few important trading centers for the French East Indian Company. The vision of the French power in India was further reinforced by the appointment of Joseph Francis, the governor of the French East Indian Company in 1742. He recommended Thomas French, governor of the Pondicherry. Sudesi. The Sudesi East Indian Company was founded in Gothenburg, Sweden in 1731 for the purpose of conducting the trade with the Far East, the Company and the British East Indian Company. Come to the conclusion of this lesson. Since the Portuguese were eliminated by the Dutch and later extinguished by the English, the French were left to face the English for a control over trade and territory. The French neglected the trade and enlisted themselves in a war. India and other European powers, these three wars reigned in the French and the English to embark on a systematic territorial expansion. The comparative success of the British over the Portuguese, the Dutch, the Danish, the French was largely due to their commercial competitions. Spine of the supreme sacrifices, spirit of supreme sacrifice, government support and naval supremacy, and the national character and their accordance in the Europe. Blue water policy was followed by Almeida. The Henry Portuguese is the commonly known as the navigator. The French East Indian Company was formed in 1664 by Colbert. The lesson is completed. I hope you all understand this lesson. Thank you, student.